Welcome to Curated by Hasnan. Today, let's look at a truly unique gadget, the multi-purpose finger flashlight gloves. These are hands-free flashlight gloves with ultra-bright LEDs, designed to light up your work while keeping your hands free. Perfect for anyone needing extra light in tight or dark spaces, these gloves make great gifts for Christmas, Father's Day, or any occasion. Each glove has powerful LEDs on the index finger and thumb, giving you targeted light exactly where you need it. Whether you're fishing, working on a car, or just need a hands-free light source, these gloves are ultra-functional. Made from comfortable, stretchable polyester with adjustable Velcro straps, they fit most hand sizes easily. The gloves feel like a second skin, making late-night tasks or working in confined spaces much easier. They even have a simple on-off button for quick activation. No more fumbling with a flashlight, you just press and go. And they come ready to use with 4CR 2016 button batteries installed, plus a screwdriver for easy replacement. You'll get up to 30 hours of continuous use, so they're built to last through your toughest projects. Overall, users love the brightness, functionality, and gift value of these gloves, even though some wish for a bit more durability. If you're looking for a practical yet unique gift that really shines, these flashlight gloves are a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching.